Garlic jacket potato recipes. Just a few minutes for a tasty result. I'm going to start by slicing some potatoes. I'm going to cut also 1 head of garlic like this. And in a foil, I'm going to add some olive oil, the garlic, and wrap it well. Then I'm going to put all these potatoes that we cut into a bowl and add August salt, August pepper, olive oil, and stir well. Enjoy and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now, in a baking pan, I'll add the potatoes. The head of garlic and bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And if you've watched this far, it's a sign that you're enjoying our recipes, so leave your like and write "I love the potato recipe." After that time, I'm going to add the garlic cloves in a bowl and mash them with the help of a spoon. This recipe is very easy to make and it's so delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it was. We'd love to know. I'll also add some green smell and stir again. To finish, I'll add this mixture on top of the potatoes. And our recipe is ready now to enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!